Good morning, students. The rays of the sun are shining in the sky and calling you to open your book and start studying. So, let's start our class with new and refined thoughts. Today we will study about conjunctions in detail that are left in the first and in the second video. In the first video, we discussed about the definition of conjunction and we knew how to use the conjunctions in the sentences. In the second video, we knew about some conjunctions in detail. Today also, we will study about the conjunctions in detail and the words are when, after, while, because, though and although. Let us see them one by one so that you may be able to use them in your own sentences properly. When. This conjunction refers to the time that something was happening. When उस टाइम को इंडिकेट करता है जब एक्शन हुआ था. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I loved ice cream when I was a kid. मैं आइसक्रीम पसंद करता था जब मैं एक किड था. Here when indicates to the second sentence I was a kid because this is the sentence showing time of the action I loved ice cream, the first sentence. Let us see some more examples of using conjunction when in a sentence. He climbed trees when he was a boy. She was in the class when you came. It was 5 o'clock when I came. My mother drew sketches when she was a girl. Athar was happy when he saw his mother. Now, our second word is after. We use after to talk about what happens in the period of time following something else. After before के just opposite action को indicate करता है, as it has the opposite meaning to before. After किसी भी sentence में ये show करता है कि एक action पूरी तरह end हो चुका था. After that, second work started. For example, after completing my homework, I went to play outside. मैंने सबसे पहले अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट किया और उसके बाद went to play outside. Here the conjunction after indicates that the first work, completing the homework, was completely done. After that, the second one, going to play outside, started. Let's see some more sentences with the use of conjunction after. After cooking food, my mother went to temple. After bathing, Reena wore new dress. After combing hair, I went to the party. After brushing, Mohan ate chocolates. After packing, we went to travel. The next is while. While refers to the moment something is happening. While उस moment को refer करता है जब action हो रहा होता है या हो रहा था. It can be used for both past and present. For example, the postman delivered a package while you were at school. यहाँ पर conjunction है while, which refers that moment when the action was happening. You उस समय स्कूल में था जब postman ने पैकेज को डिलीवर किया. You were at the second in the moment of the action. We may also say for using while कि एक action चल रहा होता है और तभी second action भी होता है. See some more sentences. I was eating food while you came. The teacher was teaching while the bell rang. Next is because. Because explains the reason for something. Because किसी भी action के reason को explain करता है. For example, we cancelled our trip to Mathura because it was cold. The trip was cancelled. And why it was cancelled? What was the reason? The reason was that it was cold. Here, because is used to explain the reason it was cold. Now, we will see some more examples of conjunction because. Riya wept because she felt toothache. I could not sleep because I was feeling headache. The chair broke because it was old. She could not attend the school because she was ill. The teacher scolded her because she was late. Now, the last conjunction is though, although. Though, although means even though, in spite of something. ऑल्दो दोनों कंजंक्शन का यूज लगभग सेम ही होता है, दोनों की मीनिंग भी सेम ही होती है, विच इज इवन दो या फिर इन स्पाइट ऑफ, यानी कि फिर भी या के अलावा। स्टूडेंट्स, यू विल बी फाइंड ओनली वन डिफरेंस अमंग देम। ऑल्दो का यूज हम हमेशा सेंटेंस के बिगनिंग में ही करते हैं, बट दो का यूज हम कहीं कहीं सेंटेंस के मिडिल में भी कर सकते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, although he is rich, he is not contented. I don't like milk, though I pour it in my coffee. We have used although at the beginning and though का use हमने sentence के middle में किया है. Now see some more examples. Although he worked hard, he failed in the exam. Although my grandmother is old, she reads without glasses. He completed the work, though he was very tired. The policeman could not catch the thief, though he ran fast. Although they gave him best care, he could not be saved. Hopefully, you have understood the use of different conjunctions. Now, it's the time for homework. The question is, join the sentences using the conjunctions when, while, after, because, although, and though. You have to join these sentences by using the conjunctions. So students, complete your work, learn and study about the conjunctions properly. Be safe and stay at your home. Again we will meet with new conjunctions. Till then, bye. Thank you.